Namaskar and welcome to Pond's Femina Miss India Kolkata 2013 in association with Yamaha Ray and crown and jewelry partner PC Jeweler. मैं हूँ सुप्रीत and today from the city of joy we bring you 10 finalists who are खूब सुंदर. Join them as they get some beauty tips from a Pond skin expert.
Hi and good morning everybody. All of your skins are glowing. I don't know whether it is the fish or the weather here. Yes, we have a great fish diet. That's going to help. As you all know, what goes into your mouth is what ultimately shows on your skin. So to make sure you have a very good cleansing regime becomes the most important part of your skin regime. Then of course, cleansing involves makeup removal, washing your face with a soapy liquid, also probably using a cream cleanser to remove off the extra grime. Then of course is your protection regime, which is very important. I see this is again a sunny place, so you need to protect yourself against the sun. Very important, so you don't tan, so you don't pigment unevenly and have a nice, beautiful bong skin that you're so proud about.
Dr. Rashmi Shetty ने demonstrate किया Pond Skin Analyzer app, जो iPad और iPhone पे available है. This app helps to analyze and take care of your skin. This useful session was followed by a Q&A round.
I have extremely oily skin along with open pores, which leads to acne occasionally. So is there an immediate remedy that I could, look forward to?
A quick remedy, honestly, is to choose the right face wash. But if you use a right face wash, which is designed for open pores and use it only 3 times, maximum 4 times in a day, that should keep your excessive oiliness and open pores at bay. Once those two are tackled, your occasional acne will definitely be taken care of.
Thank you.
Now all of you are enlightened, right? Look lovely and make us proud. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
कोलकाता की शौंदरीज तैयारी कर रही हैं फिनाले की और उन्हें मोटिवेट करने के लिए and to create that competitive mood, we had some exciting sub-contests. Sub-contests like Pond's Femina Miss Glowing Skin.
You try something with the natural ingredients.
Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair.
It's very effective both in terms of money and in terms of time.
Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eyes.
With this mascara, with Lakme Iconic, you don't need the eyelash curler. It will curl your eyelashes.
And Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon were held to evaluate our girls.
We're here to judge PCJ Femina Miss Timeless Beauty, and the parameters are photographs that we have from all the 10 contestants from the time they were toddlers to the young women they've just become. So we're going to decide Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous. What that means is we're going to give you girls a folder. There is a topic on which you have to write something. There's a time limit. Once you finish, we'll assess and evaluate who has won. Your time starts now.
And few beauty tips from Dr. Suhas Lele and Payal Kidwani. Wow, we have come a long way. Sub-contest, beauty experts say tips, खूब सारी training. But now it's time for you to enjoy a tour of Park Plaza, Kolkata, Baliganj, जहां हमारे contestants रह रहे हैं. और मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ एक छोटे से break के बाद.
Park Plaza, Kolkata, Baliganj is the first international destination in upscale Baliganj. Park Plaza, Baliganj has 92 rooms, 7 food and beverage outlets spread all over the property. K19, which is our coffee shop, all-day dining. Then we have Bruin, which is our tea lounge. Smoke Shack, which is our rooftop restaurant. We also have Clink, which is our dance floor attached with the Smoke Shack. We have huge banqueting facilities. We are proud to be associated with the Pond's Femina Miss India event.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. फिनाले की रात बस कुछ घंटे दूर है और हमारे contestants कर रहे हैं last minute preparations. So let's take a look at fitting session with Max and technical rehearsal under the supervision of Mark Robinson.
Ladies and gentlemen, time to meet our 10 finalists. Now when she comes back, you all come and join her. You all come close together. No, come back and stand over here. The winners come back and stand over here. What are you doing? Is there something wrong? You don't count. You're standing here. Can't you stand here and look? Go back, do it again. Thank you, ladies. We'll see you back later.
वैसे तो हमारी big eyed beauties हैं बहुत ही सुंदर, लेकिन to give them that extra touch of glamour, उनका hair और makeup हो रहा है using products from Lakme and Tresemme. Let's go backstage and take a look. हमारे 10 finalists की beauty को और निखारने के लिए हमारे experts ने Tresemme के products use किए.
Hi, this is Aisha. I'm contestant number 2. Today I'm going to wear Tresemme Smooth and Sultry Out Curls. Now I'm gonna take you through 4 easy steps. The first step is I'm gonna cleanse my hair with the Tresemme Smooth and Shine shampoo. After shampoo, blow dry your hair and take a straightener and straighten it. Just before your hair ends, curl it outwards with a straightener. Use the serum to add glossiness in your hair. And use spray to make it hold firm. And here you go. With Tresemme, get salon style look every day.
We start with a Lakme Black Satin Kajal. It is waterproof and avoids kajal bleeding. The blush, which is from the Lakme Absolute range, it is called the Day Blush. I'm going to use a very nice mascara. It's from the Lakme Iconic range. We are just going to use this Plum and Shine lip gloss from the Lakme Absolute range. It's a beautiful peachy coral color.
Welcome back to Pond's Femina Miss India Kolkata 2013. In the first ramp walk of the evening, हमारी contestants पहनेंगी beautiful outfits designed by Max, Pond's Femina Miss India 2013 का official fashion partner.
We are in the beautiful city of Kolkata to explore the pearls of beauty who can make the country proud at every platform, every time. Let me take this opportunity to introduce our judges for Pond's Femina Miss India Kolkata 2013. Please put your hands together and welcome our first judges, Dave and Neil. Agnimitra Paul. Manoj Tiwari. Let's give it up for Usha Udhup. The official fashion partner of Pond's Femina Miss India 2013 and leading international value fashion brand Max gives the shortlisted finalists another reason to celebrate as they now walk the ramp for the first round dressed head to toe in a special collection created for the event by Max. Fashion and fads have come and gone, but there is a garment which has stood strong the test of time and age. It's none other than the essentially Indian sari. The visual delight which will unfold in a short while are the lovely creations of Shonali Kanjilal for this momentous occasion. So let's all welcome the divas in attire which truly refuses to retire. We now invite the contestants in a garment which is now a must-have in every feminine wardrobe. It is the LBD, better known as the Little Black Dress, designed by none other than Jaya Misra.
संभालो। आई एम श्योर हमारे जजेस को काफी मुश्किल हो रही है डिसीजन लेने में। उन्हें हम देते हैं थोड़ा सा वक्त टू मेक अप देयर माइंड और क्राउन करते हैं हमारी सब कॉन्टेस्ट के विनर्स को।
I would now start with the sub-contest winners, and the first category this evening is Pond's Femina Miss Glowing Skin. And to do the honors, can I please request Mr. Sudhanshu Kelkar, Brand Manager HUL, to come up on stage. The Pond's Femina Miss Glowing Skin goes to contestant number 5, Sagarika Chetri. And the next category is the Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous. And to do the honors, can I please request Mr. Vijay Kaul, Senior Marketing Manager, India Yamaha Motor Private Limited, to come up on stage. And the Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous goes to contestant number 7, Sneha Ghosh. The PC Jeweler Femina Miss Timeless Beauty. To do the honors, can I request Mr. Sachin Gupta, President Gold Department, PC Jewelers, to be on stage. And the PC Jewelers Femina Miss Timeless Beauty goes to, it's a double whammy for contestant number 5, Sagarika Chetri. Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon. For the same, can I request Kanika Pawa Marketing Manager Max to come up on stage? And the Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon goes to a hat-trick contestant number 5, Sagarika Chetri. Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair. And can I request Shaji Nair, Brand Manager, Tresemme, to come up on stage? And the Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair goes to the contestant number 2, Aisha Ghosh. For the Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eyes, as I told you, the man himself has iconic eyes earlier. And please welcome once again Mrs. Sudhanshu Kelkar, Brand Manager HUL. And the Lakme Absolute Femina Miss Iconic Eyes goes to contestant number 1, Archita Sahu. And now it's time for the Park Plaza Miss Congeniality, and for the same, can I request Miss Mukti Gupta, Director, Mukti Group, to come up on stage. And the Park Plaza Miss Congeniality goes to contestant number 7, Sneha Ghosh. Enhance Femina Miss Body Beautiful. To do the honors, can I please request Dr. Manoj Khanna, one of the leading cosmetic surgeon in India and also the chairman of Enhance Aesthetic and Cosmetic Studio. And the Enhance Femina Miss Body Beautiful goes to contestant number 8, Sukanya Bhattacharya. And last but not the least, the category that's the Sihagat Femina Miss Intellectual. And for the same, can I request Mrs. Sunanda Navle, Founder Secretary, Sihagat Institutes, Pune, to come up on stage. And the Sihagat Femina Miss Intellectual goes to contestant number 10, Sushmita Roy. Wish you all the best, girls, and thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the winners. शाम और भी दिलचस्प हो रही है. हमारे contestants will now walk the ramp in beautiful evening gowns. After a lot of debate and discussion, judges ने किया top 5 finalists को select, and our top 5 finalists are contestant number 5, Sagarika Chetri, contestant number 8, Sukanya Bhattacharya, contestant number 7, Sneha Ghosh, contestant number 9, Supriya Amin, and contestant number 1, Archita Sahu. इनके साथ होगा अब एक question and answer session before choosing the top 3.
And your judge is Mr. Dev.
Money can buy love. Do you agree or disagree?
True love is truly priceless. Yes, money can give you materialistic pleasures, but true love is priceless and it cannot buy love. Thank you very much.
Usha ji,
What attracts you the most to a man? His looks, his status, his power, or his bank balance?
The most thing that attracts me towards a man would be his status and power, because I believe that if he has got his status and power, of course his bank balance will follow behind him.
Wish you all the best, girls, and thank you so much.
While judges are tabulating their scores, let's welcome Shubhani Kashyap on stage, who will be singing the special song composed for Pons Femina Miss India 2013.
I reach for the stars, I die for the pearls. Nothing is impossible for us girls. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story.
Let's give a big round of applause and witness the 10 finalists of Pons Femina Miss India Kolkata 2013 together on stage for one last time. And now as the second runner-up this evening, can I invite Dev and Neil on stage? Our second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, this evening of Pons Femina Miss India Kolkata 2013 is contestant number 8, Sukanya Bhattacharya. To do the honors for the first runner-up, may I invite Agnimitra Paul and Manoj Tiwari on stage. First runner-up this evening is indeed contestant number 1, Archita Sahu. And it's time now for the title holder. Can I invite Didi Ushaji, my darling, on stage? And our title holder this evening of Pons Femina Miss India Kolkata 2013. And of course it is contestant number 5, Sagarika Chetri. She gets a direct entry into the grand finale.
Yes, my determination and confidence was always there. I believed in myself that I would make it to the finals, and I have made it.
We have traditional Kolkatan beauties. So I'm happy that amongst our top 3, we've got from the demure to the pretty, to the elegant, to the charismatic, sexy Kolkatan girls.
I have won Pons Femina Miss Glowing Skin, and I'm very happy to have won the title.
I'm Sneha Ghosh. I won Park Plaza Femina Miss Congeniality.
I have just won Tresemme Femina Miss Stylish Hair. Tresemme helped me to achieve this look.
I have won PCJ Femina Miss Timeless Beauty, and I'm very happy about it.
I just got Lakme Femina Miss Iconic Eyes. I just love my eyes the way they are.
I'm very happy to win Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon, and I'm very happy to know that I'm the most fashionable.
Hi, my name is Sukanya Bhattacharya and I won the title Enhanced Femina Miss Body Beautiful.
Hi, this is Sushmita Roy and I just won Singhad Femina Miss Intellectual, and it feels great to be called as intelligent.
Hi, I'm Sneha Ghosh. I won Yamaha Ray Femina Miss Adventurous.
At Yamaha, we are very excited to be part of Femina Miss India, that too in its 50th anniversary year. So I want all you young females to visit our Yamaha stores and check out our new scooter and say hello to New Life. Thank you, and yes, Yamaha.
क्या खूबसूरत शाम थी, मिष्टी की तरह मीठी और इस शहर की तरह ही खूबसूरत। अफसोस अब कहना पड़ेगा हमें अलविदा, बट जा रही हूँ इस वादे के साथ कि बहुत ही जल्द लौटूंगी। तब तक के लिए दिस इज सुप्रीत सेइंग गुड बाय। यू कीप वॉचिंग Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.